Alright, total surface area of a prism. Prism, when you think of any prism, you have to open it up. So let's have a very basic cuboid first. If you open a cuboid, it will look like this. Yeah, something like that. Excuse the scales. Alright, so you might have to think of like, oh, that's the base. Alright, so we got two pieces of base area and a side rectangle. Alright, if we think about that, we will rub these off. This is a big rectangle, and the length of it actually is the perimeter of the base. And this side will be the height. So with that, we can actually give it a formula of it. So we have the total surface area will be equals to 2 times base area plus the perimeter of the base times the height. Theory is like this, so we're going to move on to find an example of those, and let's try and the way they will not give you a. Alright, so this is 4, 5 and 6 there. Yeah, our usual number. So the surface area will be 2 times the base, which is a rectangle, so it's 4 times 5, plus the perimeter of it. This is a rectangle, so you need the perimeter of it, so 4 plus 5. This is the perimeter of the times the height. Alright, so this is the base, perimeter of the base, and this is the height. So we do a bit of calculation with our calculator again. So 4 times 4, 2 times 4 times 5 plus 2 times 9 times 6. And then we got 148 cm square. And that's how we got the total surface area. Now, if we got a cylinder here, for cylinder, we got a cone here. It's just the same thing, just instead of the naming is different. So the perimeter of the base becomes the circumference. So now I have R 3 and the height 6. So we have 2 times the base area pi r square plus the circumference 2 times r, diameter times pi, plus multiply by the height. Alright, so let's label that again. Base area, circumference, height. And then since we have the pi, we will do, we can do simplify it first. So 9 times 2 is 18 pi plus 2 times 3 is 6 sixes, so it's 36 pi. So at the end, we got 18 plus 36 pi, which is 54 pi. That is our exact value. So with the calculator, 54, no, what am I saying, 56, eh? Alright, equals to 169.6, so round it off to 171 unit square. And this is the total surface area of a prism. Yay!